Previously on Moving Island.
Hey MTV! So crazy that you're here. Look at my crib. I'm so fucking annoying.
Don't forget our notebook. Our handy dandy notebook that we need to bring with us all the time, everywhere. Don't forget the pen.
Go, Jax.
Jax, go.
Good boy.
Good boy, Mama. Good boy. Bye, Mama. Anna, you look so pretty today. Wow. Okay, team.
Let's go, team.
Let's get it.
Today we're gonna be buying some of the most essential things that I need for my apartment, like a couch and like a bed and a dresser. I'm gonna have this apartment for a year. It's not like I'm settling down that I need to get like the nicest furniture that I'm gonna use for a long time. Like I know that I'm gonna be using it for a year, so I'm not trying to like splurge. I guess the number one thing that I'm looking for today is like a white, I don't even fucking know if I want it to be white or black yet, a big couch. Got our iced oat matcha lattes. I was on the almond milk wave for so long, but then someone put me on the oat milk wave, and you have not lived, I mean, it's kind of an exaggeration, obviously you have, but this is my obsession. I get one every day, which is kind of bad. Like, I hate those people that are like, I'm addicted to coffee. But like, this isn't coffee, it's matcha, which makes it even more annoying to be addicted to. I didn't know you needed a fast pass to go to Ikea. It looks like the freaking Coachella line.
No.
So we can socially distance. So after an hour of waiting, we finally made it inside. So I'm thinking of getting a sectional that kind of looks like this, like an L shape, but I haven't decided if I want it in white or black yet, because both of them look pretty modern. It's pretty comfy.
It is pretty comfy.
It would be like the cloud couch, but broke bitch version.
Yep.
Are these the same? No, I don't like gray.
No.
I think I like white, but I kind of like tan too.
This is the most expensive.
Oh. So I've decided on this in white. What's not in stock are the covers, like the fabric covers for these 3 pieces. All this stuff's in stock, and then this one, it's gonna be in stock in like 2 or 3 weeks, so. So I have a little balcony. I wanna get like benches. So I found this bench, this like brown bench. This is what my balcony looks like. So I wanna put a bench here, and a bench here, and then a little table here, and then maybe, honestly, maybe we should just put a beanbag or something here. Not another bench, right? Yeah, so I'm probably gonna get 2 of these benches for my balcony, and then
A little table.
and then put a bunch of pillows on this so that it's comfy. Because I don't want to go buy an outdoor set because they're like $1 bajillion. This is 3 feet.
Yeah. Most of them are 3.
I need this for my potatoes and my onions. Dude, I don't even cook. What am I saying? I have like 2 little closets in the entrance, if you guys remember. And I'm gonna get 2 of these shelves and stick them in there so that I can put my shoes. So how many should I get? We're getting all the essentials that we need for the kitchen. So since we're getting those benches on the balcony, we have to get like pillows to put on the benches. So we got 4 of those. We chose this like neutral color pillowcase. I like this like beigey, creamy color. Guys, we are so tired. Every time we see a chair, we take a 10-minute break. Quite a bit of stuff. This is all the like low-key boring stuff that you need in your house. But I'm gonna be doing a haul of this stuff, so if any of you are moving, you know exactly what you need. Okay, so we finished the like random stuff area of Ikea, and now we're going to the boring, most boring stuff.
This is way more fun. Next is aisle 23.
I'm too tired to even react. Yay, the one thing that I like. Great.
Number 21.
21. All aboard. We just got everything. We're ordering the couch to the apartment, so it's gonna come tomorrow. And tomorrow's also my move-in day, and I'm gonna be vlogging the whole day, the whole move-in process. I haven't packed anything.
I guess that's what you'll be doing later.
I literally haven't packed anything. None of my clothes. I'm so hot right now. There's a shit ton of jackets on me.
So is everybody comfy?
I see you are.
I'm very comfy.
The apartment got cleaned. Today is my move-in day. My lease starts today. I had to go through like 80 pages of a contract this morning on my laptop and I signed it. If you're trying to get renter's insurance, go on lemonade.com. Not sponsored. It's just super easy and it's like 10 bucks a month and it's required by the law to have renter's insurance. So we basically are only moving in all the stuff that we bought at Ikea yesterday, and then I didn't really pack. We're gonna get a U-Haul at some point this week. This is all the stuff that we have. We're about to start moving everything into the elevators. Technically, it's not like that much stuff. That took like 10 minutes. Fuck. Oh, sorry. Got some stuff up here. Ikea got here. Couch came, all the stuff inside. The dishes we got from Ikea yesterday are in the dishwasher. I brought some clothes, not a lot. I think Tom is gonna do what he can with the couch. I'm gonna put away all the clothes and then my mom is doing the kitchen. Teamwork makes
The dream work.
so good. Put all my dresses on this side. It's already crazy how much more space I have. I might tear up. Usually in my closet back at home, all of these dresses are literally like super squished with each other, so I can never even tell what I own. Sometimes I forget I have these dresses because I never see them. I put like denim here, fluffy, big jackets here, and then I put a few knit ones here. All of these are like really sporty, casual ones, and then I have leather ones back here. I'm gonna be building this rack that goes in the kitchen for food. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the potato basket. Look at her. Give us a little spin, girl. Woo! Meanwhile, Tom has built a whole fucking couch. And my mom is building this bench. One's gonna go over here, one's gonna go over there. I don't really know what's happening on this side of the balcony yet, but this trash can that's really ugly that I was like, okay, fine, it'll work. Because it was supposed to go like in here, didn't fit. So now I just have this just chilling. But that's where my potato holder was gonna go. Now I'm confused. Come on, girl. Let's park you in. Oh, wow. That took you 2 seconds. Mom's almost done with the second one of the benches, and me and Tom just put the cover on. This is the corner piece of the sectional. Mom is building my shoe shelves. We just put this whole thing together. It looks kind of sick. Well, I won't take much of the credit. I just basically put the fabric on the shit. But Tom built this whole ass couch. This side has all the covers. This side is out of stock for the covers. It's naked. Don't mind us. We're just having lunch. I got an Impossible taco salad. What did you get?
Impossible burger.
What did you get?
I don't know. What kind of sandwich? Regular.
When you come in through the entryway, I feel like it kind of like closed off the space. Like before it felt a little bit more open. So we're gonna try to like shift this. Way better. You should always listen to your mom. She was right. Look how much more open it made this little area look. It really didn't even block the view that much. What's blocked is like this parking lot, which isn't that bad. There's like plugs on the floor here, so I was thinking of getting a TV stand and like having the TV be movable. And now there's also enough space here if I ever wanted to get a dining table to put it over here. It's way better.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
What happened? Wrong way.
It fits.
That's why we came here and took measurements. Yeah, that's way better. This is the first closet that's like right by the entrance. They're not gonna be on full ass display anymore.
Nope.
So I got these little organizer box things from Ikea yesterday. I wanted to come up to the roof because my mom hasn't been here yet and show her the view from the rooftop of the apartment. It's pretty cute. How many times have I said cute? It's pretty nice. I'm going through a bunch of clothes and some of the stuff I'm like, honestly, I don't really wear the stuff and a lot of it ends up on my Depop. I'll put it right here if you guys want to check it out. But today we're doing honestly, I'm not bringing a lot of my stuff just because like, for example, like all these perfumes over there, I haven't bought like shelving or anything to actually put them on. So there's no point on bringing. Tomorrow we have my mattress going, my Alex 9 drawers with all my makeup in it. I took most of the like lotion stuff that I want to bring with me. So all this stuff is also just staying. And then I have these glass nightstand tables that I'm also bringing with me. But that's pretty much like the furniture that I'm bringing with me. I know it's not a lot. I'm trying to keep it as minimal as possible because I don't want to fill it up and then be overwhelmed because obviously that's what ended up happening to me in this room. I feel like these shelves are gonna like close in on me. Like there's just so much stuff in this room. So we're gonna fill these in right now. Are you excited for me to move?
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you want to look at my spider bite?
It's so beautiful. Oh my god.